how to fix Facebook ads not delivering properly. So over here, this is official information by Meta itself. So if you want to go ahead and learn how to do the troubleshoot or ad delivery, you can just go ahead to your preferred browser and search for Meta and then troubleshoot ad delivery. This is because there are a lot of options you can choose from here on how you want to troubleshoot. So depending on what your situation is, you can troubleshoot at the campaign level. Here's options over here. You can troubleshoot at the ad set level. There's 4 options you can choose from, and to troubleshoot individual ads. So depending on which one is more specific to you, you can just go ahead and choose that one. So for example, if you're at the ad set level and an ad set is running but hasn't delivered enough since it started, just go ahead and choose that specific one to learn more about how to troubleshoot that specific problem. But if you have something else, just go ahead and choose from the other different options. But anyways, again, just go to your preferred browser and search for Facebook troubleshoot ad delivery, and you should be able to find the information on how to do so over here. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video though can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.